Hey guys, welcome to the 50-second C# tutorial that I'm making for the new Boston. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use the math class. So all you're going to need for this tutorial is a button and a label. Once you have those on your form, just double click on the button. So in order to access the math class, we're just going to want to type out math. In order to access the methods inside of the math class, we're just going to want to use the dot operator, since all of the methods inside of the math class are static. The first method that we're going to be looking at inside of the math class is the absolute value method. And this will just return the absolute value of a number. So if we just put -4 in here, it will just return the absolute value of -4. And we're going to go ahead and set label1's text equal to the absolute value of -4, just to make sure that the math class is working properly. So it's going to debug here, and we should get 4. Yep, because the absolute value of -4 is 4. And you can get the absolute value of pretty much any number. So if we want to get the absolute value of 833, we could do that. Should just get 833. Yep. The math class doesn't only contain methods. There are also a few values as well. For example, we can access pi if we were trying to do some calculations with circles or something. We can just use that, and we're just going to set label1's text equal to pi, and we should get 3.1415, whatever. Yep. Also inside of the math class, there is the pow method, or raising a number to a power, or exponents, whatever you want to call it. And say we wanted to square the number 4, I'm just going to put 4 right here, and then put 2. So the number that you want to square will go right here, and then however many times you want to raise it, you'll just put here. And we just want to do 4 to the second power, or 4 squared, or whatever you want to call it. And we're just going to use the .toString method here to convert it into a string so that we can set it as label1's text. And we should get 16, since 4 squared is 16. Yep. And you can put any numbers here, just, I don't know, if you want to do 32 to the 4th power, you could do that as well. You should get, I don't know, some crazy number. Yep. Also in the math class, there is the round method, and the round method will basically round any double value, or any number that has a decimal point in it. So say we want to round 4.7, well, it'll do that. It'll return 5, since 4.7 rounded to the nearest whole number is 5. Again, we're just going to have to convert it into a string here. So now when we click button 1, we should just get 5. Yep. And defaultly, it will round to the nearest whole number. But if you want to specify how many values you want it to round to, like for example, if you have this like crazy decimal right here, like I don't know that, and you want to round it to the 100th place, you can do that. And right here, you're just going to want to specify how many decimal places you want it to be back. So this would be 1, and this would be 2. So we're going to put it back. Oops, we're going to put it back 2, so it'll round to the nearest 100th place. So we're just going to put 2 here, and it'll round to the nearest 100th place. So we should get like 4.73, because this is a 4 right there. Yep. And if you wanted it to round to the nearest whole number, you could just either leave this out right here, or just put 0. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial on using the math class. I know I didn't go over every single method inside of the math class, but they're pretty self-explanatory. They give a nice little tooltip right after it. And I don't know all of the math things, since I haven't gotten into those advanced math classes yet. But yeah, so see you guys.